Hi kids, welcome back. Kids, let's learn colors name. Yellow, brown, violet, green, purple, light green, blue, orange, sky blue, red and black color. Kids, in this video we will trace numbers 1, 2, 3. Let's start. 1. O-N-E 1. This is number 2. T-W-O 2. Number 3. This is number 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. Kids, this is number 4. F-O-U-R 4. Now kids, we are tracing number 5. F-I-V-E 5. This is number 6. S-I-X 6. Now we are tracing number 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. And this is number 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Kids, this is number 9. N-I-N-E 9. Now kids, we are tracing 1 and 0. 10. T-E-N 10. Kids, read again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.